How to use Temu coupon bundle. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use the Temu coupon bundle. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. And let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end in order to understand the process. So first of all, just download your Temu application into your device, or you may just go to temu.com if you are on a browser and log in into your account and set up your account because it is very necessary in order to go out with the checkout process of using your coupon bundles. So after logging in into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're going to do is simply head over to the use section at the bottom. You can see different options: home, categories, you, cart. At the middle, there's the you option. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can see these coupons and offers, and you can see I have this 100 coupon bundle offer right now. So I'm just going to tap on this coupon and offers option, and it will let me to another page where you can see this use, expired, and all of the coupons and offers. So if I have any coupon bundles, you can see various offers here. Like on this item, I can use different kind of coupons here. If you have any coupons here and offers and coupons for Temu, coupons for specific items, you can see. So you may just use those coupons bundles here in order to redeem the item that you want from the below. You may just use it here. And in order to go with the process, you can see this self-service to find coupons as well. You may just go on with the process if you want to self-service to find the coupons. And after that, you need to have a verified account in order to go with the process of checkout. So therefore, just follow that method. Just get over to the use section and come to the coupons and offer section, and you should be able to use that coupon bundles here. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.